Hi everyone. Let's learn about Java. What is Java and why it is important and how it will run. So today we'll learn about what is Java. Java is a programming language which is object oriented and platform independent. So once we start writing in Java code, so that will simply compile to bytecode and it will run in multiple sources like Windows, my Mac, or Linux, or different OSs. If we write once, it will run anywhere. So that is the specialty of Java. So let's see a pictorial representation. So this is a code which we have written and we have saving this file. And once we save this file, then compiler javac will compile that code to bytecode. That code will generate uh, a binary digits, so that will understand by the JVM. So JVM can print in any of the OS. So either it can be Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac. So it will print. So this is a code once we have written and it is executing in different OSs. So this is the specialty of Java. So coming down, so it is write once and run anywhere. So this is your source code. So Java compiler will compile to a Java bytecode. So JVM, Java Virtual Machine, will helps to print onto the OS. So coming down, let's see. This is your code you have written and you have saved somewhere in your folder location or Git. So that will compile using javac, and that javac, like Java class file is converted to a class file and it is executed in different solutions, different OSs. Okay, coming to down. So this is a Java virtual machine, which is a inbuilt one which comes when we install Java. And coming to JRE, JRE is a like Java runtime engine having implemented this virtual machine and inbuilt some classes and libraries. And JDK is a development tool. So to develop any app or compile the code, anything, so JDK will be helpful. So coming down, let's so we have understood about how Java is um, written and how it is executed. So coming down, see, this is how the flow of Java execution will be done. So first we will write a code either in Notepad or in Eclipse or IntelliJ or VS Code. Then Java compiler will compile that and convert to this Java file .java file to .class file. So this is a bytecode file. Then class loader will load the bytecode into JVM and JVM starts executing using interpreter and JIT compiler. So this will run and execute the output. So this is the overall approach. So we have understood about the how Java will work internally. So let's get into a developer roadmap. So coming to this is a roadmap. So we have to understand first the basics and fundamentals of Java: syntax and data types, variables, loops, and OOPS concepts, exception handling, conditions, functions, data structures, and packages, interfaces, files, APIs, and more deeper dive we will learn about internal working of Java and networking, serialization, collections, streams, Lambda. After running these core concepts of Java, we will get into our advanced concepts. We have to learn some build tools like Maven or Gradle or Ant. And coming to web frameworks, Spring, Springboard, Structs, Splunk, all these are different things. And we will learn about JDBC, like we are using this Java database connectivity apps to connect the Java application to a database. So we will learn CRM tools or like um, JDBC, Postgres, all these different things we will learn. And ORM, like these all are the high level of frameworks like Spring Data JPA, JPA, eBean, Hibernate JPA. And coming to logs, to verify the logs, exceptions, and all, we will use Log4j or Logback or anything. So we are going to learn in further classes. And this is for a test the our code in unit test. Mockito is a framework, JUnits to test the unit cases. All these are to become a overall a backend developer. These are the necessary tools and technologies we have to learn and become a developer. So let's start from tomorrow uh, from basics and fundamentals of Java. Thank you.